In this video, I'm going to show you how to use underlay layers in AutoCAD with a simple recommended workflow that keeps your drawing organized and easy to manage. This is especially useful when you want to bring in a PDF as a reference, trace over it, or compare it with your current project without cluttering your main drawing layers. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open, we're going to create a dedicated layer for the underlay. This is important because it helps you keep the PDF separate from the rest of your design elements. To open the Layer Properties Manager, type LA on your keyboard and press Enter. You should now see the Layer Management window where you can create and control layers. Now click New Layer. AutoCAD will create a fresh layer in the list, and this is where you should give it a clear name. For this example, type PDF and press Enter. Naming your layer properly is a small step, but it makes a big difference later when your drawing gets more complex. Once the layer is named, click Set Current. This makes the PDF layer active, so anything you insert next will be associated with that layer. After that, you can close the Layer Manager. The next step is to attach your PDF underlay. To do this, type PDFATTACH and press Enter. This command lets you insert a PDF file directly into your AutoCAD drawing as an underlay. A file browser window will open, and from there you can select the PDF file you want to use. After selecting it, click Open and then click OK to confirm the attachment settings. Once AutoCAD is ready, click in the drawing area to place the PDF. At this point, your underlay will appear inside the model space, and you can position it based on your workflow. Depending on your needs, you may use it as a reference for tracing, measuring, or aligning geometry. If necessary, you can scale or rotate it during placement, but the key idea is that it now sits on its own dedicated layer, keeping things clean and manageable. Now let's talk about how to manage the underlay layer after it has been inserted. This is where the layer controls become really useful. Type LA again and press Enter to open the layer. Properties Manager. One more time, find the PDF layer you created earlier. From here, you can control how the underlay behaves in your drawing. If you want to hide the PDF temporarily, turn the layer off. This is useful when you need to focus on your own line work without the reference in the way. If you still want the PDF visible but don't want to accidentally move or select it, lock the layer. Locking is one of the safest ways to keep the underlay in place while you continue drafting. And if you need AutoCAD to ignore the layer entirely for a while, you can freeze it. Freezing is helpful when you want to improve performance or simplify what you see on screen. A good workflow is to keep your underlay on a clearly named layer like PDF. Then use visibility, lock, and freeze controls depending on what stage of the project you're in. That way, your reference file stays organized, easy to find, and easy to control whenever you need it. So, to recap, the process is simple. Open your drawing, create a new layer with LA, name it PDF, set it current, attach your PDF using PDFATTACH, place it in the drawing area, and then manage it with layer controls like on, off, lock, and freeze. Once you get used to this workflow, working with underlays in AutoCAD becomes much faster and much cleaner. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.